VP of Programming for RHA.
Hi, I'm Alexis. I'm also Heile's roommate.
And this is What's Cooking with RHA? So on today's episode, we're going to be making dirt cake. It's a really good dessert and you can share it with all your friends and all your roommates, so it makes a lot. And we're going to show you what we need for this, okay? So first, you're going to need some Cool Whip, Oreos, and I got gluten-free ones because I'm gluten-free, so you can make this gluten-free or regular, however you prefer. Cream cheese, you need 8 ounces. Half a stick of softened butter. Vanilla Jell-O pudding mix. Milk. And powdered sugar. Alright, let's mix it all up and see what happens. divvy out all the amounts and we'll show you how to mix it up.
You have a button.
I do. Hi, I'm Holly. I'm the VP of Program with RHA, and welcome to What's Cooking with RHA. Nope. Hi, I'm Holly. I'm the VP of Program for RHA,
Hi, I'm Alexis. I'm Holly's roommate.
and this is What's Cooking with RHA. Hi.
Well, let's move this.